Hi! In front of me is HOTWAV Pad 8, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Manager. Start by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and blue sweater next to Use Autofill with Google. As you can see, after that, Google Autofill was successfully disabled. If you wish to enable it, tap on the same, now gray sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!